In today's video, I'll show you how to control which documents your recipients see using DocuSign's Document Visibility feature. This is perfect for keeping sensitive information private and ensuring recipients only see what's relevant to them. First, open your browser and go to DocuSign.com. Click the Login button in the top right and enter your credentials. Once logged in, you'll land on your dashboard. From here, click on Agreements to access all your documents. Browse your list and select the document you want to adjust. Click Continue to open the detailed document view. Next, look for Advanced Options. Inside, you'll find Recipient Privileges. This is where you can define which parts of the document each recipient can see. Simply assign visibility based on who should have access and double-check your settings before finalizing. And that's it. You've successfully controlled document visibility in DocuSign, keeping your workflow secure and professional. If this guide helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.